Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make something very delicious for the festive holidays. I hope you get to enjoy this video. Like it, share it, and leave a beautiful comment at the end. Feel most welcome. So guys, in today's video we are going to make groundnuts njugu, but coated one. I'm going to use 2 eggs, some grated garlic, 2 pieces of garlic, and ginger, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of paprika, and turmeric powder, both of them half, because I'm using 1 cup of groundnuts, 2 tablespoons of sugar. So guys, I'm going to mix all this together. This is very delicious, very simple and direct to the point recipe. I hope you get to try this amazing recipe during this festive season. So you are going to make sure that all the egg and all the spices are well combined with your groundnuts. And don't worry, for those who don't like the smell of egg, it will not smell because of the different types of spices that I've used. You can use garam masala if you have, but as for me, I have it but I don't like it, so I've just used 2 spices. So I'll go right ahead and start adding my flour for coating. This is wheat flour. So I used the organic eggs, and another thing that makes them turn yellow is the turmeric. So you're going to mix this. At the beginning it's going to be sticky, but as you go and keep on adding flour, it starts separating. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your genuine support, and to the new subscribers, feel most welcome. Kindly turn on the notification bell so that each time I post a new video you get notified, and really appreciate your support. So it's a little bit sticky, but there's nothing to worry about. I'll go ahead with another 1 cup of flour. And guys, if you try this recipe, you'll come back with testimony. It's crunchy, it is delicious. There's the flavor of ginger, garlic, and turmeric all combined together. It brings some very good vibes, and the taste is just priceless. It tastes like ameru, for those who know what ameru is. And it's so crunchy. That is the best part about all this. Remember guys, I didn't boil or pre-fry my groundnuts. They were just raw. But if you want to pre-fry, it's allowed. And go ahead with another 1 cup of flour. So guys, as you can see, it's coming along. It has started separating the way I wanted. Yeah, and I think we are almost done with mixing, coating them with flour. I'll go ahead and add vegetable oil on my frying pan. Here we go. Look at that bubble. It is so simple and direct to the point recipe. There's nothing to worry about. The sound of the groundnuts boiling is so soothing, guys. You can just love hearing it, and the aroma is so good. It's so satisfying. It will cook for 8 minutes. As we are going to remove it, look at that. It was so delicious, so crunchy. Try this recipe to your family during this festive season. I promise you they are going to enjoy it. Look at that, guys. This is my ameru. Here you have your simple and delicate recipe for the coated groundnuts. You can enjoy for yourself, family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share the video, like it, and leave a beautiful comment. Doesn't it look delicious? Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next one. Bye bye.